Hello, I'm James and I'm the Health and Wellbeing TLR at Tigran Special School in Cardiff. I'm here to talk to you today about Section 6, which is why it's important to provide tools and support for all staff, including those with a mental health problem. So, first things first, why does staff mental health matter in schools? As we all know, our staff in schools are our greatest resource, and to ensure that we have happy, healthy pupils, we need to make sure that we have happy, healthy staff. The current climate has really highlighted the need to prioritise our staff's mental health, with many staff feeling an overwhelming amount of anxiety, feeling overwhelmed, feeling isolated, and a certain level of uncertainty. So as school leaders, it's more important than ever that we give our staff the necessary tools and support that they need to thrive. A barrier that you may encounter is that you've set up tools and support for your staff, however you've got low engagement levels and it's difficult to get staff involved with your different initiatives. So an approach that we've used at Tigran that's proved really successful is setting up a range of different support networks that staff can access, because we found that people respond better to different things, and what works for one person may not work for another. So the first support network that I'm going to discuss with you is our Staff Wellbeing Forum. So this is facilitated by a clinical psychologist and our school-based counsellor, and the forum offers staff opportunities to reflect and share experiences with one another, but then at the same time they're able to discuss any concerns with trained professionals. Another support network that we've recently set up is our coffee and chat session. So within the current climate, we've had a lot of school changes, a lot of organisation changes. So we have found that the bubble systems, kind of wearing PPE and working from home, has led to staff being isolated and missing the social connections that school can often provide for one another. So what we've done to offset this is set up a coffee and chat session where people and school staff can join each other virtually in an informal setting, and an opportunity for staff to connect and offload and share common experiences with one another. The last support network that I want to discuss with you is our introduction of mental health first aiders. So the introduction of the mental health first aiders has provided another line of communication for staff to use and another line of support for staff to access. But at the same time, it's allowed us an opportunity to upskill our staff in being able to support those that need it most, with that being kind of signposting or development of skills to support staff. To conclude, I would recommend this section if you're looking to develop your knowledge and understanding your role in supporting your staff, and how you can provide adequate support and access to supporting staff. So essentially, this section will help you support your staff better.